It is unlikely that performing 15 push-ups a day can fully change your body, but it may have some positive effects on your health. To maintain both good physical and mental health, frequent exercise is necessary, and push-ups can be a valuable addition to your exercise regimen. Push-ups are a compound exercise that work your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core, among other muscular groups. You can gradually build up the muscular mass in your upper torso and arms by performing 15 push-ups each day. Push-ups can also aid with posture improvement and lower your risk of upper body injuries. You can lose weight or maintain your weight by using them to help you burn calories. It's crucial to remember, though, that doing push-ups by themselves won't fully change your body. You would need to add more activities, alter your food, and change your way of life for big results. In conclusion, while 15 push-ups a day can be a beneficial addition to your exercise program, they are not a quick fix for a complete body makeover. Long-term fitness and health goals must be attained by regular exercise and a healthy lifestyle. Let's see a step-by-step guide to performing a push-up. Start by lying on your back, face down, on the ground. Your fingers should be pointing forward as you position your hands just below your shoulders. Your toes should be tucked under and your feet should be together. To keep your spine stable during the workout, contract your abdominal muscles and activate your core. Bending your elbows will help you lower your body to the ground. As you lower yourself, keep your elbows close to your sides. Straighten your arms and raise yourself back up to the starting position. As you raise yourself, breathe out. Do not let your hips droop or let your back arch. From head to heels, your body should be in a straight line. You should push up smoothly and steadily after lowering yourself down carefully and under control. You should descend until your chest is parallel to the floor or your arms are at a 90-degree angle. At the peak of the movement, fully extend your arms. As you push yourself forward, inhale, and as you push yourself downward, exhale. You can adjust the workout if you can't complete a full push-up by bending at the knees or doing push-ups against a wall or an elevated surface. As your strength and endurance develop, start with a few repetitions and progressively increase the quantity of push-ups. Which muscles do push-ups work? Both the pectoralis major and minor are part of the pectoralis muscle group in the chest. The deltoid major and minor muscles of the shoulder. Muscles in the upper and middle back, such as the latissimus dorsi, rhomboids, and trapeze. In the front of the upper arm are the biceps. In the back of the upper arm, the triceps. Lower back muscle. Core, or abdominal, muscles. The muscles of the buttocks are the gluteus maximus and medius. Hamstrings, quadriceps, calf, and shin muscles are among the leg muscles. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fitness content. And as always, stay healthy, stay active, and we'll see you in the next one.